Hi, I'm Tim Schutte, Product and Application Specialist for Epiroc. Today we're going to show you how to change the gear oil on a drum cutter product. All our drum cutters and VC models are built the same. So what we use is we have a plug on the top here. They are magnetic plugs, and we have a plug underneath. We have it in this position connected to the carrier. What we'll do is we'll loosen the plug underneath and let our gear oil drain over it so we can see if there's any metal shavings or pieces of metal from the gears. This is recommended on the first 200 hours of ownership, and after that, every 2,000 hours we recommend you change the gear oil. To loosen the plug, we are using a 7/8 Allen socket. We'll put it in here and we'll loosen it up. What you want to make sure is underneath we have the bucket for the gear oil to drain into, and then we'll rotate the drum cutter in an upright position and show you how to fill it. Remember, when you're taking out the gear oil plugs, that if it is warm, it might be under high pressure, so use extreme caution when you're loosening your plugs. We've already drained the gear oil out. Now we're going to show you how to fill the drain oil. In the upright position, using your Allen socket wrench, you pull the plug out and you'll be filling it through this hole, through a spout on your bucket, just to the top of the ledge. Now that we have filled the gear oil up to the thread line, make sure the area is clean before you put the plug back on. Tighten the plug per the specs in the operator's manual. Turn the machine on, double check to make sure there are no leaks, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching this video. Always refer to your operator's manual and safety manual, or you can contact the Epiroc Service Center or your local dealer.